I'm going to make the mix for my rice. Cup of water, a little piece of onion, a little cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to use oil, 1 cup of rice. We're gonna stir. Temperature for my rice right now is medium heat. Cup of water. Put one. Then I'm gonna put my meat 2 cup of water by 1 of rice. Chicken bouillon. Enough. If I can see the rice needed a little more water, I'm gonna put it. I'm going to add a half a cup of water. I'm going to make any correction. Perfect. After 7 minutes, I'm gonna check if my rice is ready. Yeah, it's ready. Looks so beautiful. Okay, it's done.